Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share in this video. And today guys, I have for you this Stitch collectible figures from the Feed Me Stitch series. So let's go ahead and open the first one. Let's see which ones we're gonna get. Let's see. Okay, comes in a little mystery bag. Let's go ahead and see the checklist. Look how cute they look, you guys. It's a watermelon, a snow cone, a pizza, a potato chip, a pineapple, a hamburger, an ice cream, a hot dog, a coconut, a cookie, a donut, and a cupcake Stitch. If you want to try and guess which ones we're going to get, you can put your guess down below in the comments. And let's not forget about the rare one, you guys. So tell me which one is your favorite, you guys. Let's see. I love watermelon, so I hope I get the watermelon, but I want to get all of them, you guys. So let's go ahead and open the first one. I'm so excited. Let's see. OMG, I already see which one it is. How cute is that, you guys? It's the donut Stitch. We got this one, you guys. The donut Stitch. On this one, it doesn't have sprinkles, but on the one I got, it has the sprinkles. How cute is that, you guys? And he sits down, so cute. I got this one, you guys. Like I mentioned, this one doesn't have sprinkles, but the one that I got does have sprinkles. Okay, now let's go ahead and open the second one, you guys. I'm going to try to collect the whole collection because they're super cute. Oh, no, I cut my nails and now I cannot open it, you guys. Bear with me one momento. Oh, there you go. Which one are we gonna get, you guys? Which one are we gonna get? I'm so excited. Of course, it comes in a little mystery bag. And we already saw the checklist. Let's see which one we get. I think it's a potato chip one. Because I saw the orange. And yes, you guys, it's the potato chip one. Look at that, you guys. It's this one right here. Potato chips. Potato chips. Looks so cute, you guys. And of course, he sits up also. How cute are they, you guys? Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did doing it for you all.